This presentation encompasses a range of mathematics questions aimed at assessing understanding key areas of arithmetic operations, fractions and their manipulations, percentage calculations, and algebraic expressions. Each section contains targeted questions to enhance learning and reinforce these fundamental concepts. Addition involves combining two or more numbers to get a total. Examples include 3 plus 2 equals 5 and 7 plus 4 equals 11. Subtraction is the process of taking one number away from another. For instance, 10 minus 4 equals 6, and 15 minus 5 equals 10. Multiplication is a form of repeated addition. It can be visualized through arrays or groups. For example, 3 times 4 equals 12, and 5 times 2 equals 10. Division is splitting a number into equal parts or groups. For example, 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. Understanding fractions starts with identifying their components and how to manipulate them effectively in various mathematical operations. Finding the least common denominator, LCD, is essential for adding and subtracting fractions, ensuring all fractions share a common basis for comparison. Simplifying fractions allows for easier computations and clearer results. It's vital to reduce fractions to their simplest form before performing operations. Converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions aids in understanding the relationship between whole numbers and fractions, facilitating easier calculations. So question 1, convert the fraction quarter to a percentage. So to do that, you would have to turn that into a decimal first, and then you would times that by 100%. So 1/4 as a decimal is 0.25. Then you multiply the 0.25 by 100%, and you get 25%. Determine the least common denominator, LCD, of 1 divided by 4 and 1 divided by 6. So to do that, you would find that 12 is the least common denominator. So you'd have to make the denominator 12 and multiply the 1 divided by 6 top and bottom by 2, multiply the 1 divided by 4 top and bottom by 3. Simplify the fraction 8 divided by 12 and express it as a percentage. So you'd simplify 8 divided by 12 by dividing 8 by 4, 12 by 4. Then it would become 2 divided by 3. And then 2 divided by 3 as a decimal is 0.67. And then multiply that by 100%. You get 67%. Convert 60% to a fraction in lowest terms. 60% is 0.6. Then that would be 60 divided by 100 in fraction form. And then we'd find the largest number that 60 and 100 can divide into. The largest number that 60 and 100 can divide into is 20. So 60 divided by 20 is 3. 100 divided by 20 is 5, so 3 divided by 5. Express the fraction 3 divided by 8 as a percentage. You do 3 divided by 8, you turn that into a decimal, which would be 0.375. Multiply that by 100%, and you get 37.5%. Weighted average takes into account the relative importance of different values, making them useful in situations such as calculating final grades or investment returns. Each value is multiplied by a weight before averaging, reflecting its significance in the overall calculation. Arithmetic means or simple averages treat all values equally. They are calculated by summing all values and dividing by the number